Yeah. Okay. So a sentence, what is a sentence? A sentence will be a group of words that has to be arranged in a particular order. If it's not arranged in a particular order, then that will not be a sentence. That will be called a phrase. What will be called?
Phrase.
Yeah. If it's not in a particular order, then that is called a phrase, not a sentence. तो हमें हमेशा एक sentence को you need to arrange in a particular order. अब ऐसा तो नहीं है group of words आप लगा दोगे, अगर order में नहीं होगा, jumbled up होगा, then it doesn't make any sense. और sentence का most important thing is कि it should make a sense. Okay, am I clear?
Yes.
Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, as you said about subject and predicate, a subject एक वो चीज होता है जिसके बारे में we are talking about. It's a part of a sentence or the name of a person to which the sentence is related to. For example, you said I. I can also be a subject. If I'm talking about a boy named so and so, named Navtesh or Sonal, whatever, a girl named Sonal or Jasmine, that will be a subject for you, right? And predicate is something that has a verb जिसमें आपका वर्ब भी आएगा एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस सी कैन यू प्लीज रीड द डेफिनेशन फॉर मी फॉर द प्रेडिकेट
Yes, the predicate is that part of a sentence which must have at least one finite verb. Predicates
फाइनाइट
provide
वर्ब
finite verb. Predicates
या
provide information about the subject and the verb in a sentence.
यस सो व्हाट इज इट सेइंग दैट प्रेडिकेट विल प्रोवाइड यू विद अ फाइनाइट वर्ब एक वर्ब आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा सेंटेंस में सेंटेंस तीन चीजों से बनता है एक में आपका सब्जेक्ट आएगा द थर्ड थिंग इज सेकंड थिंग इज योर वर्ब और जो थर्ड थिंग है इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट इन तीनों चीजें के अलावा आप यू कैन नॉट कॉल दैट a sentence otherwise that will be a phrase okay there is a slight difference between a sentence and a phrase अगर सेंस बन रहा है देन अ सेंटेंस इफ नॉट देन अ फ्रेज क्लियर
Okay.
या इज इट क्लियर आई विल बी आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस
Okay.
and there will be also exercises for it okay now we'll be coming to you can see the above thing the above types of sentences there are certain examples go through it is it visible right
Yes.
yeah go
Ma'am,
through the
if a
example
sentence contains verb, object,
yeah
and predicate, then it
yeah
will be a proper sentence, na?
Yes, if it has a subject, verb और आपका predicate. You can also say subject, verb और object. क्यों? क्योंकि predicate also has a verb and the object. Predicate में verb और object, both of the things are there. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Any doubts? You feel free to ask your doubts and we'll also have a positive environment. हम हंसते खेलते सीखेंगे ताकि we don't need rote learning and all that stuff. Okay? We'll हंसते समझ के सीखेंगे रटना नहीं है चीजों को. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Yeah. Now, any doubt or should I begin further?
Ma'am, begin further. No
Okay.
doubts.
About types of now we'll be covering the topic that is types of sentences. Okay, so now first sentence that we'll be covering today is declarative sentence. A declarative sentence is also called an assertive sentence. Okay, declarative sentence or assertive sentence same hota hai, which means in this sentence you will be having a statement. Okay, this type of sentence, please just pronounce this word for me, declarative sentence.
Declarative sentence make a statement. These
No,
can
you
be
just need to say, wait, stop. Declarative sentence and assertive sentence. Pronounce it.
declarative sentence and
Assertive.
assertive sentence.
Speak 5 times.
Declarative sentence as
Assertive.
assertive sentence.
हाँ,
Declarative
it's not
sentence.
written here. हाँ, बोलो. Yes.
Declarative sentence. Assertive sentence. Declarative sentence. Assertive sentence.
Assertive.
Declarative sentence.
Assertive.
assertive sentence,
Very
declarative
good.
sentence, assertive sentence.
Okay, so now this sentence ends with a full stop. इसमें आपको इसकी पता कैसे चलेगा कि ये declarative sentence है या assertive sentence है? This sentence will always ends with a full stop and it is a statement और एक normal sentence होगा. For example, आप कोई भी ले सकते हो that Sonal is a teacher, okay, or Ram is going to the park. Now it is a very normal sentence which is ending with a full stop. एक ये proper statement है. अगर राम इज गोइंग टू द पार्क तो वो पार्क जा रहा है, इसमें कोई डिनायल नहीं है. ओके, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. नाउ दिस डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस के अंडर टू टाइप्स आते हैं. अफर्मेटिव. ओके, लेट मी ब्रीफ यू. वी आर नॉट ओनली स्टिकिंग टू योर स्कूल सिलेबस, हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा भी जानेंगे ताकि हमें फ्यूचर के लिए भी नॉलेज हो. सी आई थिंक लर्निंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जितना भी लर्न कर सके. ओके,
Okay.
सो इन डेक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस में आपके टू टाइप्स आते हैं. एक अफर्मेटिव होता है और नेगेटिव होता है. क्या होता है?
Affirmative and negative sentence.
यू कैन, या यस. नेगेटिव का तो इट्स वेरी इजी. यू कैन ओनली टेल मी व्हाट इज अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस.
Yes, like he is not a boy. So जिसमें से not वगैरह आएगा तो negative sentence.
But you said a wrong sentence. You said he is not a boy. He तो हमेशा boy ही होगा ना. Yeah.
Yes.
Then this sentence is wrong. Try another. Give me two examples of declarative sentence. एक not वाला और एक positive sentence. Okay. Think and give me. Yeah, tell me.
Negative sentence. He is not going to park. He is not going to the park. And
Okay.
Affirmative sentence. He is going to the park.
Very good. Very good. It's very much clear. तो हमारा ये वाला तो हमारा ये वाला तो सेंटेंस इज वेरी मच क्लियर. डेक्लेरेटिव और जैस्मिन, डेक्लेरेटिव और
Assertive.
very good, very good, very good. Okay, so now we'll come to our interrogative sentence. अब हमारा interrogative sentence is very simple. It will end with a question mark. It will end with a
Question mark.
yes, it will end with the question mark. And we can also say that this sentence starts with WH family. अब WH family क्या होती है Jasmine? Please elaborate.
What, who,
Yeah. What? Yes.
what, who, and which, how,
Which. Yes. Why. Yes. Okay. एक तो
your.
हमारा yeah, you're absolutely correct. Now we have WH family questions as well as we also have certain auxiliary verbs. आपको पता है auxiliary verbs क्या होते हैं?
No, ma'am.
No. So it's important. Write it down in your copy. Auxiliary verb. I'll tell you the spelling. AUX. Are you writing? Okay, I'll write it here only. Wait. AUXILARY. Auxiliary. Written? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Written? Very good. Auxiliary verb. ठीक है? Auxiliary verb. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now अब इस auxiliary verb में आता क्या है? See, इसमें आपका आएगा is, am, are, was, were, has, have भी आएगा. ठीक है? क्या क्या आएगा ये जैस्मिन?
Is, am, are, was, were, has, have.
हाँ, तो ये होता क्या है? ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब बेसिकली आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है. ठीक है, इज एम आर, वॉज, वर, ये सारे हमारे क्या होते हैं, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं. इन्हीं की हेल्प से वी आर एबल टू मेक अ सेंटेंस एंड पुट अ वर्ब आफ्टर इट. हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद ही वर्ब लगता है. यस, शी इज कुकिंग इन द किचन. अगर इज नहीं लगाओगे तो सेंटेंस का मतलब ही नहीं बनेगा. शी कुकिंग इन द किचन, व्हाट डज इट, डजंट मेक अ सेंस. यस,
Yes.
ये यस, सो दिस इज अ ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, या आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी कह सकते हो. अब इट्स अ न्यू एडिशन, अब हेल्पिंग वर्ब हम नहीं कहते हैं, हम ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं जास्मिन?
Auxiliary verb. Ma'am, can you explain me auxiliary verbs again?
ओके, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. क्या होता है?
Helping verbs.
आपकी मदद करता है वर्ब को एक अच्छी डायरेक्शन में लेकर जाना. कैसे? हाउ दिस वर्क्स, फॉर एग्जांपल इज, आई सेड यू इज, एम आर, वाज, वर, हैज, हैव, हैड, ये सारे आपके ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स होते हैं और हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ठीक है,
Okay.
समझ आया? यस. तो अब इसमें और क्या होता है? अब एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am.
आप मुझे एग्जाम्पल दीजिए.
I am going to the market.
I am going to the market. Very good. Another example?
Uh, is your name Tina?
Is your name? Okay. So
Tina.
इसके बाद क्या आएगा आपका? Question mark, right?
Question mark. Yes.
Yes. Very good. Very good. और एक knowledgeable thing के लिए एक और चीज आपको बताती हूँ. जनरली यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड कि ना पीपल से कि आर यू टॉकिंग टू राम ना. ना वर्ड बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हैं इंग्लिश में. आर यू टॉकिंग टू राम ना? आर यू गोइंग देयर, वर यू गोइंग देयर ना? आर यू ईटिंग योर फूड ना? यू आर ईटिंग योर फूड ना? हैव यू हर्ड दिस? लोग बहुत
Yes.
ज्यादा ना इज वेरी रॉन्ग. प्लीज डोंट यूज. और मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को तो आई नेवर लाइक इफ माय स्टूडेंट यूज ऑल दिस स्टफ. दिस इज वेरी रॉन्ग, फर्स्टली. और सेकेंडली इसका ऑल्टरनेटिव होता है क्वेश्चन टैग्स. ठीक है, इसके लिए हम क्वेश्चन टैग्स यूज करते हैं. क्वेश्चन टैग्स क्या होता है? अब जैसे मैंने आपको बोला यू आर ईटिंग योर फूड ना, वो ना नहीं बोलना है. व्हाट यू विल से? You are eating your food, aren't you? This is the proper way to express the particular sentence instead of using that na pathetic word. Okay? समझ आया?
Okay.
समझ आया? अब देखो इसमें भी लिखा हुआ है. रीड दिस इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस को रीड करो, इसकी डेफिनेशन एंड क्वेश्चन टैग्स के बारे में. रीड इट.
Your name is Rina, isn't it?
या समझ आया? अब आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि आपने isn't it लगाना है, aren't it लगाना है, कि कैसे पता चलेगा आपको? वो आपको ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स के थ्रू पता चलेगा. तो देखो यहाँ पे isn't it लगा है ना, तो हमने कैसे पता चला isn't it? is की वजह से. समझ आया?
Yes.
हाँ, और मैंने आपको इससे पहले एक एग्जाम्पल दिया था, यू आर ईटिंग योर फूड, aren't you? तो मैंने वो aren't you कैसे लगाया? आर की वजह से. कैसे?
R की वजह से.
समझ आया? एनी
Yes.
डाउट?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. Very good. Okay, now let's move. Any doubt in declarative or interrogative sentence, you can ask me right now.
No, ma'am, no doubts.
Okay, very good. Now coming to our third type of sentence, that will be your imperative sentence. Which sentence?
Imperative sentence.
Very good. Now what is imperative sentence? Anywhere you find a command, order, a request, or an advice. What? Repeat after me, Jasmine. Command, order,
Command,
request,
order, request,
and advice.
and advice.
Okay. Now, what will be a command? Shut the door. Go and shut the door. This is the command or an order. Okay. Now, what will be an advice? We should follow traffic rules is an advice. Okay. We should follow traffic rules is an advice. We should do exercise daily is also another advice. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now a request कैसे हम बोलेंगे? हम क्या बोलते हैं? Jasmine, if you are making a request to your mother, what you'll say? You have to tell your mother, get me a glass of water. तो कैसे request करोगे? Tell me.
Please get me a glass of water.
Very good. Correct? No doubts. I hope no doubts in imperative sentences also.
No doubts.
Very good. Let's move to our next slide. Now here you have to do exercise. Exercise शुरू हो गई है. Wait. पहले मैं आपको exclamatory sentence बना देती हूँ. It's a fourth type of sentence हमारा होता है exclamatory sentence. क्या होता है?
4 types of sentence, exclamatory sentences.
हाँ, ये हमारा fourth है और last type of sentence है exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence is a sentence wherein you will have feelings, strong or harsh feelings, like surprise हो जाना, shock हो जाना, okay, anger में आ जाना, और shock, surprise, anger, all these are feelings. जब आप एक अपनी feeling को express कर रहे हो in with the help of an exclamatory mark, okay, then that is called an exclamatory sentence. Okay, Jasmine? Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me give you such examples. Whoa, what a beautiful weather. तो आप वो के बाद exclamatory mark लगाओगे, ठीक है? Then if a person is surprising you with a gift, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Oh my God, what a beautiful surprise. तो आप oh my God के बाद exclamatory mark लगाओगे. समझे?
Yes.
Correct? Please give example. Yes.
Wow, what a beautiful gift.
Okay. Another example. बोलिए.
Ma'am, next is?
No, I am saying you to say an example.
Yes, like
Hmm.
what a wonderful flower vase is it?
Very good. Very good. Great. ठीक है. So now will you please name 4 types of sentences that I taught you?
Yes, declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory.
Declarative is also called
assertive sentence.
Very good. Now you must be seeing 2 exercises in front of you.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Start doing it.
Okay,
Read the sentence and just tell me the answer. Okay? This is what you need to do.
Okay, ma'am. No need to write in my copy.
No, don't write in your copy. It's just for your practice, no? Writing in copy, I'll give you some worksheets. I'll give you many worksheets. Some to kya, I'll give you many worksheets for practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, start doing it. Read it.
मैम फर्स्ट सेंटेंस पे सम रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है थोड़ा सा फर्स्ट वर्ड्स पे सेंटेंसेस के.
अच्छा, I'll read it for you. I think it's the final. पहले read the question, no, Jasmine. What you need to do in the question?
Okay. Identify the sentences given below as declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory.
Yeah. ठीक है. So इसमें आपको क्या करना है? You have to identify. आपको बताना है कि it's declarative, interrogative, imperative और exclamatory. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll read the first one for you. Then you will be able to read further. Okay. The final match of the World Cup will be telecast today. What type of sentence is this?
Declarative.
Yeah. Why, Jasmine, this is a declarative sentence?
Because first it's a simple sentence and ending with a full stop.
Very good. It's a statement. Okay.
Yes.
It's a statement. Now I'm reading the next one for you. Have you ever been to Sri Lanka?
Interrogative sentence.
Why?
because it's ending with full question mark.
और ये स्टार्ट किससे हो रहा है? इसका सब्जेक्ट में क्या है?
Have.
What is have?
WH family.
No. No. Have is not WH family.
Ma'am, auxiliary verb.
Yeah, have is your auxiliary verb. Tenses में आता है ना have, है ना? कौन सा टेंस होता है? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में have आता है, has and have. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, be a little louder. Will you be able to read the third sentence or should I read?
Yes, ma'am, I will read that.
Please read then.
Cleared the kitchen before the guest arrive.
हाँ जी.
Imperative sentence.
हाँ, it's very much clear. Very, ठीक है. Next sentence बोलिए.
Do you know Mr. Murugan?
No, it's do you know Mr. Murugan? What is
Do
it?
you know
Murugan.
Murugan.
Yeah.
So
Be
it's,
very clear with your pronunciation skills also, okay?
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. What's
This
which
is a
sentence it is?
interrogative sentence.
Why? Because ending with a question mark, right? हाँ, चलो आगे बढ़ो.
My sister will receive you at the station. So this is a imperative sentence.
Great. Next. This is a imperative. Why? Why imperative, Jasmine?
Declarative.
Yeah, it's a statement, no? आप change नहीं कर सकते इसको. अगर उन्होंने बोला है she will receive you at the station, तो वो she will receive. She won't deny. Okay?
Okay.
Statement है बेटा. It's declarative. Next.
Bravo, you have done extremely well in the examinations. So this is an exclamatory sentence.
Very good. Next.
We are traveling from Jaffna to Colombo by road. So this is a declarative sentence.
Great. Next.
Practice well to perform better in the competition. This is also a declarative.
No.
What a wonder.
ये देखो इसमें आपको एडवाइस दे रहे हैं. प्रैक्टिस वेल टू परफॉर्म बेटर इन दी कॉम्पिटिशन. आपको इसमें एडवाइस दी जा रही है ना कि आपको अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है इन अ कॉम्पिटिशन. ठीक है, तो देन दिस विल बी विच सेंटेंस?
Imperative.
या ठीक है. थोड़ा इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इन फर्स्ट गो, रीड द सेंटेंस एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 टाइम्स. तब आपको अपने आप समझ आने लग जाता है कि विच इज करेक्ट एंड विच इज नॉट. ओके.
Okay.
Yeah, read 2 to 3 the sentence or twice the sentence ताकि आपको पता चल जाए कि declarative है, exclamatory है, interrogative है क्या. Okay, now start with the next.
What a wonderful piece of work it is! Exclamatory sentence.
Great, very easy. Next.
I don't have time to discuss the problem now.
Yeah, now what?
Imperative.
Why, Jasmine?
Okay, ma'am, in declarative negative sentence.
Yes, declarative sentence. अभी तो आप you can only say declarative क्योंकि इसमें नहीं पूछा affirmative है कि negative है. अभी you can simply say it is declarative. ठीक है. Yes, declarative के अंदर दो आते हैं, affirmative और negative. Negative वाला ही है ये, you are correct. फिर से I will repeat. Please do read the sentences at least twice or thrice if you are not able to understand the types. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Chalo. Do the second question. Now here you have to rewrite the sentences following the instructions given in the brackets. Okay? Read the first example that is given.
Yashpanam is located in the northern part of Sri Lanka. WH question. Where is Yashpanam located?
Yes. तो आपको इसका क्वेश्चन बनाना था. It was a statement. Then you had to form a question, and you made what was the answer? Where is Yashpanam located? Yes.
Yes.
Now change the next sentence.
Aishwarya looks very beautiful! Exclamatory sentence. Wow, Aishwarya, you are looking very beautiful.
Very good. Next.
I visited New Delhi last year. Negative sentence.